sometimes you'll face a problem with the outer door locks. So if you try to open, it is pretty hard, and sometimes probably it may not open at all. So normally this happens due to the inner lever which gets bent over time. So hopefully it's a simple fix, but then we need a much more time to remove out the whole lock setup and take that lever out and remove that bend. In fact, we will straighten that lever. So I'm going to show how to remove this. To remove this part, this side piece is just basically made of some. Take off the camera. Okay, so screwed the whole screws out of it. Then this thing gets binded to the door just with the locks in place. So make sure that you pull all the places even and the locks drag off. Come show this here. So once you are done with the unscrewing of the thing, you have to release this cable from here. For that, there's a small notch here underneath. So not just that, you have a lock there. Plastic out. That also there's a glue in between.
Yeah.
You need
that's
to,
a yucky glue.
You need to reuse this glue.
Wow.
So make sure that you remove it with patience. So that would act as a waterproofing solution also. So you're recording the video? Yeah. Okay. So this much of space is fine to work with the locks. So these two supporting bolts work with the glass guide. So first you have to remove that one. You need to get this lock system out. You have to unscrew all these stuff.
What's that? What's this?
That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. So I'm going to unscrew this one. Wait, I removed this. I forgot to show that in the video, but I'll show you. That's simple. Using a star screwdriver, remove this as the next piece. Remove this screw and come here. You can pull this thing out. You can just slowly move this side out. Show the camera here. Okay, you can do this. Pull this out. Slide this like that. Okay, now this piece came outside, and here's a screw. Keep this aside. So you need something this kind of a head, so that show these screws. To remove these bolts you need this bit. So I had one, which is some Torx bit, which you can unscrew and open these 3 bolts. So let me show you. Okay. Next work is to remove this thing out. It is like, just take, you push this towards the right, towards this side you have to push. You have pushed it and move this out. This thing, show it here. You have to take this thing without breaking this and this. If your this part or something is broken, means you will have to replace this. There's no other option for this. So take this thing out. You have a washer also here. Take that without breaking it. So you have the washer here and the handle. Take that out. Okay, once that is done, you have to remove this bolt. So you have to take this stuff out. This is already unscrewed. The other part. Now this is the first thing which we removed it. So it is flexible enough because of the screws are removed. That thing, the part, you can move it aside. So keep it aside like this. Now you'll have to remove this. Slowly take it out. Allow some help from the other side as well. So here you can push the notches. Some small locks are there. Push the notches there. It will, see, it went inside. Now the whole stuff can be taken out, including the locks, the other side, and you'll have to anyway remove the electrics. Okay, so shoot this thing. So this is the inner main lock part, and this is the outer, which has the handle here. So this is the only assembly which connects to the lock. So you could see that, you could very well see that this is bent, this lever is bent. So you have to remove that lever from the lock. Only one side is detachable. This particular side which I am pointing is not detachable. It is already a rivet kind of stuff has been done there. So the other side is detachable. Go ahead and remove that. So there's basically a small plastic there. You could see that there's a plastic here. Adjust that plastic. Adjust that plastic and take that out. Okay, so now this lever is detached. This part is taken. Keep it aside. Nothing has to be done here. Most probably the issue is with this bend rod. You will have to straighten that. Okay, cut it. Down. Have you switched on?
Yes.
Okay, come towards down. So actually this, I thought one part only was detachable, but I could see that both the sides were detachable. Only that for one side there is a small notch here which enters and then gets self-locked. So I presume this is the issue. This rod has gone a bit bent, which is not getting the lock handle displaced in how much degree it wants. So I'll go ahead and level this one, straighten this rod, so to fix the issue. Come. So remove the bends. Put this stuff inside and then plug the whole assembly inside. So what you'll have, this would be the arrangement. So this portion. So this is the way it should enter. I have reassembled the whole stuff. So you can see that the lever is kept back inside, the other side is simply, and the Archie Luke can shoes. So this is the way you have to put everything back in place. Now put this inside. Tighten this up after aligning the outer. So you'll have to do
On it.
you'll have to pull this notch here. This is the way you put in this thing. You clip in. Are you taking that? Okay. Yeah, clip this thing inside. Before moving this inside, you will have to
Let's start this side.
do a bit of tweak inside so that the lock aligns. You put the hand inside.
Oh.
Come here, this side. You'll have to take the.
Yes.
She's doing work here now. Okay. So, okay. Show this. Okay. You'll have to put your hand inside. Pull that lever towards you. There's a small lever there. Pull that lever and catch hold of the inside lever which we worked on, so that it is in position. Keep this thing here. Push that off inside. The lever, it's a spring action base, so I caught hold of it so that it is in position. I keep that there. How I do that is by using the other hand. I'm pulling that lever underneath and I'm pushing this inside and I'm releasing that. Now this has the action. This is how this action comes back in. Put in back the electrical connections. We put this back in. Now we'll do a rough test on this thing.
Don't close.
Okay, you switch. Show it here. So I've closed. You'll have to settle down all the steps again.